If you want to create a magnifying lens zoom effect in PowerPoint, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you a simple step-by-step method that gives your slide a clean zoom-in effect, almost like a magnifying glass focusing on one part of your image. This is a great trick for presentations, tutorials, product demos, and anything where you want to draw attention to a specific detail. It's fast, beginner-friendly, and you can do it with just a few PowerPoint tools. And if this video helps you, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy PowerPoint tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open PowerPoint and go to the slide where you want to add the effect. Now, insert your image by clicking Insert, then Pictures, and choose the image you want to work with. Once your image is on the slide, make sure it is positioned the way you want it because this image will be the base of the effect. If needed, resize it so it fits nicely on the slide. Next, duplicate the image. The easiest way to do this is by selecting the image and pressing Ctrl+D on your keyboard. This creates an exact copy of the original image. Now you should have two identical images on top of each other. This duplicate is what we're going to turn into the magnifying zoom lens. With the duplicate selected, go to the picture format tools and crop it into a circle shape. Depending on your PowerPoint version, you may need to use crop to shape and then choose the oval or circle option. Make sure the shape looks clean and centered. After that, enlarge the cropped duplicate slightly so it focuses on the part of the image you want to magnify. This is the key step because this enlarged cropped image will create the zoomed in look. Try moving the crop circle over the area you want to highlight. You can place it over a face, a product detail, a chart value, or any important part of the image. Adjust the size and position until it looks like a proper magnifying lens. If you want, you can also add a border or shadow to make the effect stand out more and look more realistic. Now it's time to add the animation. Select the magnified circle image, then go to Animations and choose Grow/Shrink. This animation will make the zoom effect feel more dynamic and visually interesting. You can adjust the timing if you want it to appear smoothly. If you want the effect to feel more natural, you can open the animation pane and fine-tune the start option, duration, and delay. Once that's done, play your slide to preview the result. You should now see a magnifying lens zoom effect that helps focus attention exactly where you want it. This is a really useful presentation trick because it makes your content more engaging without needing any advanced design skills. You can reuse this method on different slides, different images, and different topics whenever you need to emphasize a detail. So to quickly recap, you insert your image, duplicate it, crop the duplicate into a circle, enlarge the circle to create the zoom effect, and then add the grow/shrink animation. That's it. A simple but powerful PowerPoint effect that can make your slides look much more professional. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next PowerPoint tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.